Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we discuss about the product robust texture image representation by scale selective local binary pattern. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. In this process, the local binary pattern, that is an LBP, have been used in a wide range of texture classification scenarios, and we have proven a wide variety of the provide an high discriminative feature representative. A major limitation of LBP is the sensitive to affine transform. In this process, it is what we present a scale and rotation invariant computation of LBP. Rotation invariance is achieved by exploiting alignment of feature at an extraction level using an robust estimation of global orientation. Scale adapted features are computed in references to estimate scale of an image based on distribution of scale normalization, Laplacian responses in a scale space representation. Intrinsic scale adaptation is performed to compute features independent of the intrinsic texture scale, leading to a significant increased discriminative power of the large amount of texture classes. In the final step, the rotation and the scale invariant features are combined in a multi-resolution representation. By this texture representation, we have an efficient to improve the classification process. For the classification of the any particular object only, we have taken certain textures from the image. If the stability of the textures is improved means, then the classification of the any object will be increased. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input images in the format like JPG, PNG, TIFF, like that, etc. Then after getting input image from the dataset, the input image is undergone for the process called pre-processing. In this pre-processing step, the image is undertaken into a filtering process. The filtering is done by using the Gaussian filter. Gaussian is the one type of filter to remove the noise from the image. The Gaussian filter is particularly specialized to remove the white noise from the image. After removing the noise from the noise-free image is get out from the pre-processing step. Then the threshold estimation is carried out for the image. In the threshold estimation, the threshold level will be in the range of 0.1 to 0.9. After getting the threshold value, the image is converted into a binarized form. Then the binarized image is taken as a feature extraction. In this feature extraction step, we have to majorly consider two types of feature extraction. The first thing is the LBP feature extraction, that is the local binary pattern features. After getting the binary patterns from the image, then the histogram is carried out. The histogram is one type of feature which is extracted from the image. By combining the both LBP as well as along with the histogram features, we have taken as an test features. By checking the efficiency of the patterns like LBP and the histogram, we have compiling the two features, then the efficiency will be calculated. The efficiency of the feature is well calculated by the classification. If the classification accuracy of the process is more, means the efficiency of the features like patterns and the histograms are also improved. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. Now open the MATLAB. You can see the mainfile.m file in the current directory. Right click in that file. You can see the option run. Click the option run. After clicking the run button, now the one dialog box open. You can see the images in that for datasets folder. In the datasets folder, we have a datasets images. Now click the select an image and then click open. Now the process will be automatically started. Now the one by one images will be on display in that figure window. The figure 1 shows the input image with the title input image. After getting the input image, the preprocessed image is shown in the figure 2. In this preprocessing, the filtering is carried out. In the filtering process, the Gaussian filter is applied to filter an image from the noise from the image. The input image is very sharpened, then the filtered image is slightly blurred. Then the grayscale conversion is carried out for the image. The grayscale conversion is carried for taking the threshold value from the image. Now the image is similar to the grayscale, so that we can't able to see the direct grayscale conversion. Then the histogram equalization is carried out. For the histogram, we have taken the histogram features. Then the histogram peaks will be displayed in the figure 4. Each and every pixel value peak will be showed in the histogram format in the figure 4. Then we taking the LBP feature from the image, and then the LBP feature is plotted, image is plotted in the figure 5. In this figure, the pattern images is shown. Then the binary conversion is carried out for the patterns. Now the color region will be an pattern taken from the image. Then the each and every patterns are combined, then plotted in the figure 8. Thank you.